I finished the air, so it ends here. I still need to get some supports. The MaxLine box only has like 10 support clips in the whole box. It's woefully inadequate. Anyway, come down to this one. Goes along here. And the orange line is coming in from the compressor. It is outdoors. The blue line goes up there. So the line comes out of the office right there. Goes up, tees there. Comes down, hits the hose reel right there. And then comes across and over to the bandsaw. I have a coolant system and an air blower on that. And then back across there. Can't see it, but it's up above behind the roll-up door. Over to that corner, you can just see it coming down that blue line. Underneath the shelf, again, it needs more support. Comes over here, tees. That's the air for the lathe. I showed that earlier. Goes up to that reel there. Comes across and tees again. Tees twice. Once right there. Feed the Bridgeport. That'll feed the drawbar, and then I've got a coolant system. And then comes across and hits this lathe. That's my hard hinge. And then goes back behind everything along the shelf again. And then over. And finally ends over here into my big mill. And what I did is I put this airline on here. So it's always here. Oops, oh, you can see that. Anyway, that goes over to this. I've pretty much dedicated this, and this takes the jaws off the vise. So that sums up the air system.